we are going to study about the lesson similarity. In this lesson we have studied about the meaning of the similar triangles. What is the meaning of the similar triangles? That is, we know that in the similar triangles their sides are corresponding and triangles are congruent. Now see the theorem of areas of similar triangles. Statement is, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. When two triangles are similar, here we draw two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Then the ratio of the areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of their squares of their corresponding sides. From these statements, first we have to draw two figures, that is the two similar triangles. Here we have to draw triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. Now from the given statement, first write the given, then write the true and then write the proof. First given. Given means which is given in the statement. When two triangles are similar, it is given. This sentence is given in the theorem. That is, first we write this statement in the given. There are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Then AD, segment AD is perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. In this statement or in the given statement, we write triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Means from this statement we say that angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q and angle C congruent angle R. And also their corresponding sides are in the proportion. That is, side AB upon side PQ equal to AC upon PR equal to BC upon QR. That is the meaning of the similar triangles. Sides are in the proportion and the angles are congruent. Now to prove, that is the ratio of their areas of those triangles. Now take the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. That is the area of triangle ABC and the area of triangle PQR. We have to take first the ratio of these areas of triangles. That is, area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. First we have to see the corresponding sides and their squares. That is, AB square upon PQ square equal to BC square upon QR square equal to AC square upon PR square. In the last standard we have studied the area of triangle. That is, we know that area of triangle, what is the formula for area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Area of triangle equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Now we use this formula in the proof. Area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR equal to area of triangle ABC. That is 1 upon 2 into base of triangle ABC is BC into height is AD. Therefore 1 upon 2 into BC into AD upon area of triangle PQR equal to 1 upon 2 into base is QR and height is PS. 1 upon 2 into QR into PS. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to 1/2 cancel. We get BC into AD upon QR into PS.